All right, today is super cool. We're giving our project an amazing new sense, the ability to see with sound.
So yesterday we got moving, but today we get vision. This is a serious upgrade. How are we going to pull this off? It's all about a concept you know from nature called echolocation. Just think of a bat flying in a dark cave, or a submarine mapping the ocean floor. That's exactly what we're doing. And our tool for the job is this little guy, the HC-SR04 Ultrasonic Sensor. It's basically our project's new eyes. It might look a little complicated, but really, it's just a tiny speaker and a tiny microphone working together. So here's the breakdown. The trigger sends out a little shout, the sound bounces off an object, and the echo listens for it to come back. The whole trick is just timing how long it takes for that echo to return to the sensor.
Now for a tiny bit of math. We just take that time and multiply it by the speed of sound.
But wait a sec. Why are we dividing it all by 2? It's the number one question people ask.
Simple. The sound has to travel there and back. We only care about the distance one way.
So we can measure distance, but there's a catch. We still have to look at our computer to see the numbers. Well, on day 9, we attach our very own OLED screen. You're not going to want to miss it.